Are you breaking up with me?
I don't understand.
No. No.
Surely you can't be serious.
Jesus Christ.
What's the rule about walking away?
No. 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 Hell no.
Oh my God. I guess I thought there'd be a lot of heartfelt goodbyes.
Whoopsie daisy.
Oh, never mind.
Go on now, go. Walk out the door.
Will you fight?
A week won't go by in your life you won't regret walking out.
We've got too far.
Day may come when the courage of men fails, but it is not this day.
The line must be drawn here.
I'm not saying it's gonna be easy.
That's fine, we'll just get tougher with it.
If a person grits his teeth and shows real determination,
failure is not an option.
That's how winning is done.
1 inch at a time.
and they will know what we can do!